Cop28 is a really important meeting, and I hope we can find a trustable way to reach the targets from the Paris Agreement on how we can be on 1.5 degrees. So I think that's important. And when we are talking about the difficult topics to discuss, I think energy security, affordable prices, and how we can making the transition going faster than today. I think that's the main problems that we are facing today. And from a Norwegian perspective, we're looking into how we can develop the oil and gas sector in the future, but also cut emissions from the production side and also from the use of fossil fuels. And then we have to increase the investments in renewables. Also in Norway, we need a lot of more renewable production because of the increase of the demand of electricity when we are going to electrify the society totally. And the third topics I think is reasonable to address in COP28 is how we can contribute to how we can get people and industries and business also in developing countries with us in this matter. And then I think just transition is an important question. First of all, I will say that energy security and energy to affordable prices for the people, the households, for the industry and for the business is really important. And then we have to, when we are talking about developing the oil and gas industry, we have to also looking into how we can cut emissions from the production side. In Norway, we will cut emission by 50% in 2030 and get almost without emissions from 2050. And that's the reason that we have focused on developing the oil and gas industry, but also how we can bring new technologies on the table, by carbon capture and storage, blue hydrogen when we catch the CO2 and store it safely in the Norwegian continental shelf. So Norway have to contribute to the energy security with the oil and gas industry. And then we have to increase a lot the investments in renewables. And offshore wind is a special important part of Norway's point of view in the future.